Haldex is happy to provide its users with the latest in diagnostic software. In this video, we'll be going over the download and installation of ITCM Diagnostic software. Please make sure you have your administrator rights or working with your IT department before completing download. Open up your computer web browser like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, and in the address bar, type in haldex.com. Once the web page has loaded, select Resources, and under Resources, select Software Updates. There you'll find an ITCM Diagnostic download link. Click the link. A new window will appear. Select Download the latest Haldex ITCM Diagnostics. Once the download is complete, navigate to where the downloaded zip file was saved. Right-click on the Haldex downloaded zip file and select Extract All Files. A new folder will appear. Open the folder and select the Diag+ Install Wizard. The Install Wizard will now open. Follow the prompts and license agreements to continue with the installation. If a Windows notification appears, click Yes or OK to proceed. Once the installation has completed, navigate back to your desktop. A new Diag+ icon will be located on your desktop. Return to the web browser and under Step 3, select Install USB Driver Software. Once the download is complete, select Open File or navigate to where the zip file was saved and select the CDM Driver Install Wizard. Again, follow the prompts and license agreements to continue with the installation. If a Windows notification appears, click Yes or OK to proceed. After drivers are successfully installed, select Finish to close the installation wizard. Navigate back to your desktop and open the new Diag+ program. After reading the warning, click on the green check mark. A language selection prompt window will appear. The default language is English. Select your desired language and select ITCM before clicking on the green check mark. In this example, we can see while auto-searching for communication ports that the interface adapter is not connected to our computer. Once the adapter is connected to the computer, the yellow LED light should illuminate. Once the adapter is connected to the computer and a vehicle with permanent power applied, the red LED light will illuminate. And once selecting the auto search icon and establishing a good connection, the LED will flash red and green. Now you're ready to use the new Haldex Diag+ software. Please visit haldex.com for more instructional videos. And thank you for choosing Haldex.